Before starting the video, I would like to tell you about the tool called Asus Mobi Unlock. It's a one-click tool to unlock any kind of iOS screen lock, whether it's a disable screen, passcode screen, 4 or 6 digit PIN, Touch ID, Face ID lock. So links in the description, you can check out the tool from there. And first you have to connect your device into the recovery mode or just follow the instruction on the screen. After that, just simply click on start. First you need to import the IPSW of your device. So import the latest IPSW that is currently signed. After that, click on unlock and it will start unlocking your device. Now once it get done, just set up your device normally and your device will be completely unlocked. So if you are interested in this tool, you can check out the description link to know more about the tool and the official website. Now let's continue today's topic. So in today's video, I will show you how you can install the Celio package manager on the Checkra1n jailbreak supported devices. If you don't know what is Celio, Celio is an advanced package manager. It's a modern, fast and more responsive than Cydia. Cydia is very old and slow, sometimes it gets unresponsive, but the Celio is very fast and clean. So if you like Celio more than Cydia, this video is for you. Now the step number 1, if you are already jailbroken and you have installed the Cydia, first you need to unjailbreak your device completely. So just go to the Checkra1n loader and click on the restore system. It will completely remove the Checkra1n from your device. Alright, now the next thing you will require a Odyssey N1X or a Odyssey Rain ISO file. Both the ISO file like 32-bit and 64-bit are available, so you can download according to that. Now once you download the file, you need to make the USB bootable. So for that you need a pen drive and the Balena HR software. Do not use the Rufus, otherwise you will get the grub issue. So make sure that you will use the Balena HR only for making the USB bootable. Now you need to import the ISO file you have downloaded and then just click on flash and it will start making the USB bootable. Now once it's done, just reboot the PC and boot the Checkra1n from your USB. Now after that you will get some option with the list. So you need to first jailbreak your device. So just click on the first number and hit on enter and it will run the Checkra1n. Now just connect your device and simply jailbreak. If you are on the latest iOS version, you need to allow the first option and after that you can enable the start button and then just simply jailbreak. Now once you see all done on the Checkra1n screen, that means the jailbreak is completed. Now the next step, you have to see the Checkra1n loader is up here on the home screen or not. So just connect with the Wi-Fi and you will see Checkra1n loader on your home screen. Now this time you don't have to install the Cydia. Just open the Checkra1n loader and just get back, and after that just close the Checkra1n from the terminal. Now when you quit the Checkra1n app, you will see terminal. You have to type the reboot and hit on enter and it will reboot your system. Now next you have to go to your BIOS section again and select the pen drive and boot it from. Now you need to install the Celio. Now this time you have to select the second option and make sure your device is connected, and on the second option you need to hit on enter, and if your device is not connected properly, you can disconnect and connect it again. And after that you will see some instruction on the screen. So after that you have to just hit on enter and it will start installing Celio on your device. So it will transferring the file into the root file system. So make sure you have connected and do not disconnect it until you will see the Celio on your home screen. Now you can see everything is done and Celio is on my home screen. Now just click on enter and you can disconnect your device. And now you can open the Celio and you can see it's very fast and responsive. You can also customize the Celio according to your preference, like you can set the theme for the light and dark mode and tint color also, and there are some swipe action and other customized option. So you can customize according to that. It will give you very best experience of jailbreak. So it's very good thing you can get the fast response and other things, and it will be all possible with the Celio. So everything is here, you can check according to that. And first thing, you have to update all the required packages to run the Celio properly, and you can install any tweaks like you installed in the Cydia. You can install any repo from the sources. So if you are looking for the best and the stable experience to run the jailbreak and the tweaks on your device, you can install the Celio. As compared to the Cydia, I like Celio more because it's very fast and responsive. So this is how you can install the Celio on all the Checkra1n jailbreak supported devices. So the process is same for the iPad also, and do not install the Cydia from the Checkra1n loader again. And for going back to your Windows machine, you need to click on the shutdown button and hit on enter, and that's it. So this is all for this video. I hope you like the content, so just hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.